Hello guys, good morning. I am here waiting for my sister to wake up because I have important matter to discuss with her. I want to ask her help me about I want to install PayPal because Meta asking me already for a long time, but I didn't mind it because I don't have any valid ID. I hope voter certification will be okay or a temporary national ID. Have a blessed Monday to all of us, guys. Stay safe always. God bless us all. Thank you, guys, for watching me. Although my content are not good. Okay. Bye, guys.